In order to add students to VOCES, you'll first need to create your classes. This is the best way to add students if you are not using an LMS like Google Classroom, Schoology, Canvas, or Microsoft Teams. If you are using those programs, please see the video for syncing your students. For all other methods of adding students, we'll start by logging into VOCES, then clicking on the Teachers panel and the desk icon for class and student management. Next, we'll go ahead and click New Class. I'll give that class a name, and I'm going to choose Third Hour and create my class. From here, I'll be able to add students through a CSV spreadsheet, a manual add, or by self-registration. There are other videos in this series that will walk you through the steps for each method. As always, if you need help choosing a method or knowing what's right for you, please give us a call or send us an email to info@vocesdigital.com.